Hello, welcome. I have received this particular question. Need a help on load test scenario. I am doing API load test where there are 4000 threads for 1 hour. Each minute it has to trigger around 66 requests. So in 1 hour 4000 requests will be sent. Once these 66 requests are triggered, it would be served in few seconds. My question is, what should be the hold load for? When designing the API load test, I am confused. Why should we hold, as 66 requests are made and served within few seconds? Please advise. So let us discuss how we can design this particular scenario. The first question here is, what is the hold load for? The hold load for means how long you want to run your load test. You are specifying here you want to run for 1 hour. It means your hold load for should be 1 hour, that is 60 minutes or 3600 seconds. Hold load for means how long you want to keep the pressure on the system, or how long you want to run this load test. In this particular case, hold load for should be 1 hour or a 3600 second or a 60 minute. For easier understanding, you can take one of the real world scenario. Suppose let us say you want to test a bridge, whether 100 cars can pass through a bridge in 1 minute, but you want to test that for 1 hour. In first 1 minute all 100 cars will pass through the bridge, but you don't want to stop the testing after 1 minute. You want to test for 1 hour whether the bridge can sustain the continuous traffic. So here hold load for should be 60 minutes or a 3600 second, because you want to test the bridge for 1 hour whether it can sustain the traffic of 100 cars per minute, right? Similarly, here hold load for means how long you want to keep the load on the system. Let me open the JMeter. Let us try to understand how this particular scenario can be designed. There can be multiple approaches to solve this problem, but one of the thread that I found suitable for this particular problem is you can add this arrival thread group, and under arrival thread group you can add your HTTP request and you can provide your API details here, whichever the API you want to do the load testing, right? Here you want to simulate 66 requests per minute, right? Or each minute it has to trigger 66 requests. It means arrival rate per minute you can mention here 66, right? Ramp up time in minute, it means how long it should take for this 66 threads to become active. I will say, let us say 1 minute. In 1 minute all threads should become active. Ramp up step count means if you want to increase the load on a step by step manner, then you can provide this ramp up step count. Hold target for, here you can specify 60 minute, right? Here you can see your arrival rate, total arrivals is 3996. Your requirement is to achieve 4000 requests per second. Here almost you have achieved 4000, only 4 requests less than 4000, right? Maybe you can adjust these factors, like let us say 67. It will achieve 4057 total arrivals in 1 hour. So you can make adjustment. Here ramp up step count means in each step how much threads it should increment. Here for example, if you have a ramp up time of 60 seconds and target is 66 and ramp up step count is 6, your ramp up time will be divided into 6 different parts, right? And then total target we need to achieve is 66. 66 divided by 6 will be 11 requests per minute. So like this it will be calculated. So here I have set up like this. Now you are achieving 3999 arrivals in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, right? Like this you can adjust these parameters to achieve your desired arrivals, right? Here the number of arrivals per minute also 66. It is maintaining consistently throughout 1 hour. That is what is expected here in this. So we have designed this load according to this particular requirement. I hope this will help in understanding designing of load test scenario. Also meaning of hold load for, it means how long you want to run the load test. Here hold load for is 60, it means it is holding the load for 1 hour. Here from 0 minutes to 1 hour you can see here, right? This is the hold load for this particular line, that is 1 hour. So thank you for watching.